Welcome back once again to Jack's Tech Corner. I am once again your host, Jack. And in this video tutorial, after posting that Ubuntu tutorial yesterday of how to install Ubuntu, I have been receiving emails that said, Jack, that's great. Now, how do I actually burn the ISO image? What do I actually do to get that ISO image burnt and be able to start playing with Ubuntu Linux? Well, there is a free program that I like to use that will run on your Windows XP. It will run on Vista, or it will even now run on Windows 7. And it's a very easy to use program to burn an ISO image onto a CD or a DVD. And I'll put this link with this show, folks, so you can download it if you need this. All you gotta do is do a Google search. And it's called Burn ISO is the search. It's called CD Burner XP. One thing I really like about it is it's absolutely free. All you have to do is when you bring this up, you have to scroll down here towards the bottom and you'll find it. And you can actually download it. Let's see now. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry, it's at the top. And I just downloaded it, so let's bring this up here. Click here. Gives you the startup screen. It tells you here it is a free application, and it is down here at the bottom. See, I knew I wasn't going crazy. You just have to click on here, CD Burner XP. Scroll down the bottom, and it says download the latest version here. So I'll put this link here in the show, and so you'll be able to just come in here and download it. Now, if you don't have the .NET framework tools, you'll have to also install the .NET framework, but it will advise you upon needing that. So now that we have it downloaded, let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. This is the actual program itself, and all we need to do at this point is come down here where it says Burn ISO Image, click on that, click on OK. It's going to give us this little dialog box. It says select an ISO image to burn. So go out to where you downloaded your Ubuntu. This happens to be mine right here. This is an ISO image. It tells you right here, disk image file. Click open. Make sure it says finalize disk. Make sure that is checked. And then eject disk after burning. Once everything looks okay, you can go ahead. The last word of advice I would say to do is if you pull this down and there's speeds in here slower than your highest maximum speed, slow this disk burn down a little bit. I did find the first disk I burnt for Ubuntu, I burned it really fast, and it basically crapped out right in the middle of it, so it didn't work for me. So pull this down and select a lower bit rate to burn at. It's going to take a little bit longer, but it's a better burn. Once you do that, get everything set up, the burn method is just automatically, then hit burn disk. Now for those out there with a Mac, let's switch out of this. And we're going to actually minimize my windows out of the way here. We'll just get rid of this. Okay, now I want to show you how you would burn the ISO image, the Ubuntu ISO image, if you have a Mac and you'd like to go ahead and burn that image. I can throw this out there to you and tell you if you're running Parallels on your Mac, it's better, I found, to actually install Ubuntu right from the ISO image. If you're not sure how to do that, just email me and I can tell you how to set it up so you can install from the ISO instead of burning it and then putting it back. We will go to our Applications folder. Then we want to go into Disk Utility. What you need to do here then is just simply click on Burn and then go out and find your actual download. Mine's under Downloads, then Ubuntu 10.4. Here is my ISO image. Then at that point you would just simply click on Burn. And when you do that, it's going to start burning that image directly to your CD-ROM, which you can see it will fit on the CD-ROM. Look at the size here, 733.4. Or you can burn it to DVD if you want to waste a DVD and you don't have any CDs laying around. So that is how you would burn it using Disk Utility on your Mac. So 2 easy ways to burn ISO images to get you guys started so you can load up your Ubuntu Linux and start having some good times and playing around with it. Until next time, as always, folks, keep the computers computing and keep learning new tasks with your computer. Don't just use your computer for everyday things that you do, Facebook, posting pictures on Flickr. Learn the computer and learn what it can do for you and learn how to better use it. And I'll see you back here next time on Jack's Tech Corner. Bye for now.